Want to set a custom screensaver on your MacBook Neo using your own photos, even a slideshow? Here's how to do it. First, organize your photos. Make sure the picture or images you want are saved inside a separate folder. If you want just one image, keep only that photo in the folder. If you want a slideshow, add multiple photos to that same folder. That's all. I am copying all my photos to this folder on my desktop. Now go to Settings, scroll down to Wallpaper, and then click on Screensaver. Before choosing your images, set the timing. This decides how long your Mac stays idle before the screensaver starts. Then select Custom. Scroll all the way down to the Others section and select Photos and hit the Options button. Click on Source and choose the folder where your photos are stored that you want to use as your screensaver. Make sure you select the entire folder. Once done, you can keep Photo Shuffle or not, totally your call. Finally, click Done, and that's it. After the selected idle time, your Mac will show either a single image or a slideshow, depending on whatever you have set. Simple setup, but it makes your Mac feel a lot more personal. Be with Fix369 for more quick tips.